Alright, in order to make a working prototype of the game, I have to make sure most of the game is working. So here we are. The character controls are usually most of the game. Some games developments not starting until the controls are close enough to what their creators want. My character controller ain't great, but that doesn't mean I can't continue on with the development. Now, I'll show you what I've done, and where will it lead. I will say, I made this level layout in one day, so it needs more work. The beginning of the level should ease the player into the mechanics of the game. You wouldn't want to surprise the player with something hard off the bat. And with the walls and the floor layout, you shouldn't make it confusing for the player to navigate through the level. Now, with the enemy AI, as you can see, it is a block with a PNG of the character. And for the AI, what it does is find your location. Go to that location. Do an attack. Wait a second. Do it all again, until you die or they die. Simple AI for proof of concept. None of the AIs in the future product will be this simple. I want the AI to gang up on you, attack one by one, take opportunities to hit you, to the point of you can reasonably lose to any encounter. Bosses are regular enemies, but more. Bonus points if you can add phases to the fight or incorporate puzzles. Speaking of puzzles, a simple puzzle of pressing the buttons to open a door. How this works is there's a hitbox in front of the thing. You press the interact button in front of it to press the lever. If the lever is missing, you get the lever and put it there, then you press the interact button. When all the levers been pressed, the door should open. Anyways, pressure plates, levers. Does the dungeon need them? Are they fun? For players, it's the fun of solving a problem, given they were well made. And for the creator, it's limiting the player from accessing everything at once. Not that it'll stop anyone from speedrunning the game. Now, for equipment. All that's here is weapons that all don't do anything different. I'll deal with that in the future, making types of damages like slash, pierce, and blunt, with different armors to negate certain damages, thus, equipment tiers. And for the user interface, it's basic at the moment. Health, stamina, and sanity bar, which I won't touch until the beta of the game. I may add or move around stuff based off the state of the character controller. I'm trying to emanate an anime feel, so I would like to avoid an MMO style. With this concludes the current alpha version. The next thing I'm currently working on is the fleshing out of the level and giving the AI its character. That includes modeling and their behavior. Then, I will focus on making the character controller more of what it should be, which is to feel like an adventurer, armed, and in the caves. So yeah, go watch anime. There were a lot of good ones recently.